Hey designers, today, we're diving into the exciting world of expressions. So, let's start with one of the coolest expressions out there. The wiggle expression. It's like adding a playful jiggle to your animations. Imagine you have this shape on your screen, and you want it to dance around a bit. Well, we can make that happen using the wiggle expression. Here's how it works. First, select your object. Just press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property. Next, we'll dive into the expression field by holding down Alt and clicking on the stopwatch icon next to position. Now, it's time to work some magic. Type wiggle, followed by two numbers. The first number controls how fast your object wiggles, and the second number determines how much it wiggles. For example, first enter here, wiggle, 330. It will create a gentle wiggle. Now give a bigger value like wiggle 10, 100. It will give it a wilder shake. And just like that, your object comes to life with dynamic movement. Subscribe to Ace Designs for more exciting tutorials.